Hello, we meet again on the Piston Tube channel. This time we want to convey the best cars for the money in 2022. When you're about to spend a lot of money on a new car, it can be tempting to choose the one with the lowest price. But that doesn't mean you're necessarily getting the best deal. In the worst case, a cheap car could cost you a lot of money over the years you own it. It could have high gas costs, be hard to fix, or cost a lot to insure. Also, you want to be happy with a big purchase like a new car. It should have the power you need to get to work on the highway and the space you need for people and things. It should also have the latest safety features and the technology you need to stay in touch and up to date. You don't have to buy the cheapest car to save money, and you don't have to buy a luxury car to get the features, performance, and comfort you want. The Best Cars for the Money Awards try to find a good balance between cars that are focused on value and cars that are great to own. The awards cover 11 different types of cars, and the winners in each category have the best combination of quality and value. Not only are they good cars, but they are also good deals in the long run. How we decided what was good? We use a car's overall score from the US News Best Car Rankings to figure out how good it is. The overall score for a model in our rankings of cars isn't based on the editor's thoughts or tests. Instead, we collect and look at all of the credible reviews of a certain model that have been published. This way, we can find out what the automotive press thinks about how well a car drives, how comfortable its interior is, and how well its tech and connectivity features work. When we give out the Best Cars for the Money Awards, we use a number called a overall score to measure how good a car is. This score is based on fuel economy, cargo space, safety, and reliability. How we judged worth. The real price of a car is a lot more than what it says on the sticker or what you agree to pay with the dealer. Costs like repairs, gas, and insurance add up over time for every car. To figure out how good a car's value is, we start with Vincentric's estimate of how much it will cost to own for 5 years. Then, we combine that information with the prices of transactions that our partner TrueCar tells us about in real time. The value score for the best cars for the money is based on these two factors. Best Cars for the Money in 2022. The Nissan Versa is the best subcompact car for the money. Honda Civic, the most affordable compact car. The Honda Accord is the best midsize car for the money. The Toyota Avalon is the best large car for the money. Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, the most affordable hybrid or electric vehicle. Best SUVs for the money in 2022. Hyundai Kona, the most affordable subcompact SUV. Hyundai Tucson, the most affordable compact SUV. Hyundai Santa Fe, best value 2-row SUV. The Kia Telluride is the best 3-row SUV for the money. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, the most affordable hybrid or electric SUV. Best minivan for the money in 2022. Honda Odyssey, best value minivan. That's the Best Car for Money 2022 based on each category. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video from the Piston Tubes channel. Thank you.